Speak, Listen, Hub. Talk show.
Finally, class is finished.
Yes, weekends feel amazing.
What's your plan today?
I'll read, maybe paint.
Always books, always art.
And you? Always sports?
Basketball tonight with friends.
You never miss games.
It keeps me active.
I prefer quiet hobbies.
Like coffee and poetry?
Exactly. You know me.
I listen carefully, Maya.
Good. Friends should listen.
Friends? Only friends, really?
Don't start, Mr. Player.
Haha, I'm only joking.
Focus, free time talk.
Okay. Favorite weekend activity?
Walking in the park.
That sounds really relaxing.
What about you, Arjun?
Watching movies with snacks.
Which type of movies?
Action, thriller, sometimes comedy.
I love romance films.
Figures, literature student dreamer.
Dreamers see more beauty.
Realists win basketball matches.
But dreamers write stories.
Maybe one about us?
Only if you behave.
Then I'll be perfect.
Impossible. You love mischief.
True, but only sometimes.
I like your energy.
And I like your calm.
Balance makes good friendship.
Or maybe partnership too.
Arjun, focus. Free time.
Right. Music or silence?
Music. Always with tea.
Favorite singer right now?
Arijit Singh. You?
I like Imagine Dragons.
So different from me.
Opposites attract, don't they?
You always say that.
Because it's always true.
Maybe. We'll see later.
Fine. Favorite hobby then?
Writing short creative stories.
I'd love to read.
Maybe after midterms finish.
Exams ruin all weekends.
But free time saves.
Want coffee this Saturday?
Only if you pay.
Always. You're my guest.
Good. Then I'll join.
Do you like cafes?
Yes, cozy ones especially.
I know the best.
Tell me the name.
Blue Mug near campus.
I love that place.
So we'll meet there.
Okay. At 5, right?
Yes. Evening coffee vibes.
Maybe also cake slice.
Deal. Chocolate for you.
You remembered my favorite.
I remember everything, Maya.
You sound too smooth.
Maybe I practice often.
With other girls too?
Only you, I swear.
I'll test you.
How will you test?
With quiz about me.
Easy. I'll pass perfectly.
Favorite subject? Literature. Favorite drink?
Tea with honey, right?
Good. Favorite color then?
Green, like your notebook.
Wow, you really notice.
Told you, I listen.
Okay, I'm impressed now.
Does that mean date?
Stop. It's just coffee.
For now, just coffee.
Later? Exams first, mister.
You sound like professor.
Knowledge is always important.
And fun is too.
That's why balance matters.
Free time gives balance.
Exactly. Rest, then succeed.
So, weekend equals recharge time.
Yes, brain and heart.
What about traveling weekends?
Only short trips nearby.
Mountains or beaches better?
Beaches, sun, and waves.
Mountains feel more adventurous.
But beaches feel peaceful.
Let's go someday together.
Maybe after graduation, or June.
I'll wait patiently, then.
Patience is important skill.
Especially in university life.
Yes, deadlines teach patience.
And also late professors.
True, always late.
Do you join clubs?
Yes, literature and art.
I joined sports club.
Of course you did.
Sports clear my stress.
Art clears mine instead.
Different ways, same goal.
To stay happy inside.
And strong for exams.
Free time helps that.
Do you play guitar?
A little, still learning.
You should play someday.
Only if you sing.
Deal. Karaoke night soon.
That would be fun.
We'll invite close friends.
Yes, small group better.
I prefer simple gatherings.
Me too. Less drama.
University drama is everywhere.
That's why books help.
Or basketball with music.
Everyone has own escape.
What's your dream free time?
Reading by Seaside Cafe.
Mine is traveling whole world.
Big dream, Mr. Adventurer.
Dreams make life exciting.
True. But stepwise first.
Study, graduate, then travel.
Study, graduate, then publish.
You'll be famous author.
You'll be explorer engineer.
Perfect team, isn't it?
Balance of mind, heart.
That's us in free time.
Yes, joy and rest.
So tomorrow coffee, right?
Yes. Don't be late.
I'll come 10 early.
I'll test that.
Always challenging me, Maya.
Challenges make friendship stronger.
Or partnership, remember that.
Stop teasing, study boy.
Fine. What book today?
Pride and Prejudice again.
Old, but really classic.
Classics never lose meaning.
Like basketball never bores me.
Same passion, different fields.
That's why we click.
Maybe true, maybe not.
I'll prove it tomorrow.
With coffee and cake?
And best conversation ever.
Big promise, Arjun. Careful.
I always keep promises.
Then I'll believe you.
What's Sunday plan, Maya?
Library, then drawing sketches.
Can I join library?
Yes, quiet study together.
Best free time combo.
Coffee, books, good company.
Exactly what life needs.
University feels better now.
Because we share moments.
True. Free time matters.
More than exams sometimes.
Careful, don't fail class.
Never. You'll guide me.
And you'll motivate me.
Perfect free time exchange.
Yes. Balance every day.
Fun plus responsibility always.
That's university life exactly.
We'll manage it together.
Deal. No stress alone.
Only teamwork and smiles.
And hot chocolate breaks.
Or long campus walks.
Or evening book talks.
Our free time forever.
Friendship makes free time special.
Friendship makes free time special.